Hello, we were discussing 5G scenarios and you mentioned two extreme use cases. One was live streaming case where there is low latency, high bit rates, and the second one was variable case where there is machine type communications, low to moderate bit rates and low power consumption. Aren't those really contradictory? How are we going to put these two extreme cases in one box and then call it 5G?
Okay, yeah, thanks for the question. The idea with having two extreme use cases is to show that there are requirements that must be fulfilled at the time for different kinds of the devices and different user requirements. The idea was not to show that a specific technology or a solution on the radio access or on the network was meant to be used for implementing those two, but they both need to be considered at the time frame, what we call 5G. I think 5G is mainly a kind of a timing perspective that in 2020 we need to support different use cases, and by these two extreme use cases I think we cover all of them together, even if they will not be, as you said, within one box. Maybe they will be supported and implemented by two totally different technologies, but they must be considered to be supported at the 2020 time frame for the users and for the devices.
Yeah, that's very interesting. You just mentioned totally different technologies. So what disruptive technologies do we expect to have in the 5G era, different than 4G or previous technologies?
Yeah, first of all, I think within Sony and the persons here at the conference say that there are, of course, an evolution of the existing wireless system, both the Wi-Fi and the LTE within 3GPP. The disruptive is mainly related to a business model, a different business model approach. And of course, with the new complementary access technology or newer frequency bands with more high data rates, there could be other players included in the ecosystem, maybe not the traditional operator or maybe just an added service provider. And with this, I think we can call it a disruptive technology because it's related to a new business model.
Exactly. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.